morning to all students belonging to class first year and class intermediate RS Inter College Kan. Today I am going to teach you the grammar portion, and the grammar portion, the topic is figures of speech. Figures of speech is the common topic. It is asked in first year and intermediate. That's why it is necessary for them to understand it clearly. What is figure of speech? As the ornaments or jewelry increases the beauty of any person, in the same way the language used in writing by any person is decorated with figures of speech. The language becomes dignified, graceful if the figures of speech are used in the writing, whether it may be poetry or prose or novel or essays. If the figures of speech are used, the language becomes highly graceful, and the figures of speech increases the charming of the language. To increase the charming of the language, many poets have used frequently these figures of speech in their poetry, and poetry has become so popular. There are 7 kinds of figures of speech. Few of them I am explaining you in the whiteboard. Look and hear to me carefully to understand well. First is simile. Figures of speech. First is simile. So, in this figure of speech, there are 2 things which are compared to each other. In this comparison, at least 1 point should be common, and the words of comparison like as, so, and like are used to show the common thing between 2 things. As we give the example, Ram is as gentle as his father. There is comparison between Ram and the father, and the common thing is gentle. And as these words are used to denote that there is common thing of gentility between 2 persons. So there is comparison or similarity has been shown by using the words of comparison like as 2 times. Second example is Mahesh was so wise as his brother. So there is comparison between Mahesh and his brother, and the common point is wise, means both of the persons are wise equally, and the words of comparison so and as have been used in this sentence. So that's why it will be simile. The Yamuna river is pious like the Ganga river. There is comparison between the Ganga river and the Yamuna river, and the matter of comparison is the common thing is pious. Both of the rivers are pious, and the words of comparison like has been used here. That's why it will be simile, figure of speech. The second is metaphor, figure of speech. Metaphor is also short simile, means there is also comparison of the 2 things. There may be comparison between 2 things, and one thing may be common between them, but the words of comparison as, like, so are not used in this figure of speech. That's why it is called, it is concise, concise simile, or it is short simile, because like, as, so are not used in this figure of speech. It is written in short way. As, for example, definition I have written, metaphor is a short simile, but the words of comparison are not used in it. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Means Kalidas has written so popular plays or poetry as the poet of England named William Shakespeare has written. So there is comparison between Kalidas and Shakespeare, because Shakespeare has been used like the adjective word. That's why before Shakespeare the has been used. It is article, definite article, the has been used, because Shakespeare has been used here as adjective. So we may say Kalidas and Shakespeare both are equally popular as dramatists, as poets. Kalidas belongs to India, Shakespeare belongs to England. Both of them are great romantic poets and dramatists. So there is comparison between Kalidas and Shakespeare, and similarity is that both of them were the great literary figure. Second example of this is Patel was the Lion of Punjab. So there is the common thing, bravery. Patel was as brave as Punjab. If it was written in this way, then it would be simile. But as, like, so have been avoided, not used in this sentence. That's why it is short simile or metaphor figure of speech. Patel was the Lion of Punjab. Means Patel was as brave as lion. Sardar Patel was the leader of Punjab. That's why he is called Patel was the Lion of Punjab. Means Patel was as brave, as fearless, as lion. But as, like, so have not been used. That's why it is concise or short simile, or in other words we may say that it is metaphor figure of speech. Kashmir is the heaven of the world. Kashmir is so beautiful, so that it is called the heaven of the world. It means no other world is as beautiful as Kashmir of India is. Millions of people come every year to visit Kashmir, Ladakh, Dal Jheel, etc. So many scenes are there that everybody wants to be there to enjoy the beauty of nature. That's why it is called Kashmir is the paradise or heaven of the world. So Kashmir is the heaven of the world. In Kashmir and heaven, both are equally beautiful according to the sentence. Kashmir is as beautiful as heaven is, but as, like, so have not been used. That's why it is metaphor, figure of speech. Next is hyperbole. And its name is, its meaning also suggests its sense. Hyperbole. So in this figure of speech, anything is described many times more or less than reality. Means anything, any person, any place, or any non-living thing or living thing is described so many times more or so many times less than reality that it can't be believed. it is very impossible to believe that this statement may be correct. It may be reality. It is not trustworthy because so many times more or less has been described. As she cried and the sky burst. Means she cried so loudly that the sky broke. Means burst, was cleft. So it has been described in so more times reality. It can't be believed. That's why it is hyperbole. She cried and the sky burst. Belinda smiled and the world laughed. Belinda was beautiful lady that has been described in the Rape of the Lock, composed by Alexander Pope. It is a mock epic poem, very long poem but very interesting. In this poem it has been described that when Belinda smiled, when she got up and smiled, all the world of the people started to laugh. It is impossible that if one person smiles and all people of the world may laugh. It is impossible because many times more than reality has been described in this sentence. That's why it is hyperbole. Second is, Rita filled the river with tears. Means Rita wept so much that her tears filled the river with her tears. It is impossible because by flowing the tears, any river cannot be filled. So it is impossible. Many times then reality has been described that it can't be believed, it is not trustworthy. That's why it may be said that it is hyperbole, figure of speech. The mountain gave way to Alexander. Alexander was very brave warrior, dictator of Greece. So it said not only people, not only men, but also mountains gave the path to Alexander whenever he passed through there. But it is very impossible because non-living things have no sensation. Mountains can never be removed, but it has been said, it has been described in so highly way that it is not trustworthy. And that's why it is hyperbole sentence. As it is very popular proverb in India that in ancient India the rivers of milk and curd flowed. It is impossible because milk can never be in so much quantity that it may be changed into curd and it may be flowed through the rivers. It is also in hyperbole. In this way, you would have understand that if anything has been described many times more or many times less, it is called hyperbole, figure of speech. You should understand it very well. You should write down it and you have to learn it in the first year classes, in the second year or intermediate class. This chapter will be asked. That's why it is very necessary and you should learn it and you should write it just now. And for homework, you have to do the exercises from the book. That open the chapter, figures of speech, and from the chapter figures of speech, you have to do five sentences from each exercise 1, 2, 3. Exercise figure of speech from the grammar book. Remember it and you have to do it. It will be found in the first year grammar book and in the intermediate grammar book also. So you should do in homework figure of exercises and just now you have to write down from this whiteboard in the fair copy the figure of speech you have to write. Thank you very much.